Many people are asking to me that what is the meaning of anthus basically, right? Why this started anthus? So if I just want to describe you in a simple way, right, in very simple languages, what should be could be. So I'm just explaining you in a very simple way, right? So I can explain. I can show you multiple graphics and everything, all right? You may be confused, right? Definitely. So maybe simple way is the best way. I still feel that okay to trigger your mind to think newly. So I'm just using okay. This is your anthus, right? So starting it, so I'm just talking about the one services which I'm just providing to you, right? So that is about the fourth grade to 10th grade, grade 4 to 10th. Okay, and it's a CBSE based, or you can say ICSE based in India for India. Okay, here what happened? The student can access the math session, okay, science, social studies, then English. It should be in grammar and computer according to your academics. They another system of the computer called the IT programming that is skill based, right? So these are the academic we cover, right? In academic, what it will be, it will be there will be the you can say live session will be provided, right? It's a very sophisticated. I will tell you how it works. Second is after live session, what is that? The second thing is you can say it's a recorded session. See, I'm saying that the live session is good. Recorded session is also better. In recorded session, we are giving the option that okay, suppose the lecture is going on here. Okay, you can ask any kind of doubt over here. You can ask doubt over here. Just post the doubt, and immediately it will get solved. Okay, we make sure that immediately it will get solved. So, so basically, recorded session is give you the flexibility. Live session is that maybe tutor there, not there. Okay, many conditions there, right? Like that. Maybe sometimes students is not in mood to learn, right? But recorded session give you the flexibility. In case of any kind of doubt, you can ask over here too, right? Because see, if I'm saying in the live session 2+2 and in the recorded 2+2, it will not going to change in the live class, right? Maybe the context may be changed, but that will be discussed also, right? That will be also upgrade to you, right? The live session recording also you will get. So it means that daily you are getting something new, right? To see the multiple perspective. The third thing you will get the content. It will be handwritten, the same way handwritten, and it will be derived as a infographic way. So you can see in a very different way, right? You can able to understand graph it immediately, right? Image-based infographic way. Okay. So these three things are most important for students. The fourth thing is that we are going to give you service about, if I just tell you, right, it's a test. Suppose I'm learning percentage. The percentage have the, you can say, suppose three parts are there, right, in a curriculum. Percentage one, how to multiply the percentage, right? Okay, how can you just find a percentage of any number? So after learning the video, right? After learning the video from the recorded or live session, you have the exam. You have some one learning infographic and the handwritten notes, and then you have exam, right? Exam in that it's designed in such a way. Suppose if you do make a mistake from one side, it will take you the basics, right? And then it will take you the again to the key place, right? And then you can able to end the exam. It means that you cannot exit the exam till you're not become perfect, right? 100%. It will not give you that, okay, this is wrong, okay, this you should know. No. You have to be perfect in that, right? Then only you can able to go on the second one. So it's designed like that, right? Everything we have to put a key, and key you have to mention with us, right? The third thing is that after examination, suppose still, okay, you can ask doubt. Okay, there's no limit over here. You can ask a doubt. You have the group in which you can ask the doubt. You can directly ask the doubt to mentors also, student mentors also. The third thing is that the most important critical thing is you should know that suppose you are getting still get the doubt and you are not understanding the video in the worst of the worst case, right? Then also you can just suggest to us, and we will find a solution and we will make a new customized video for you specific. okay, and it will be shared with all the students, because maybe tomorrow, uh, you can say your okay, how you're thinking, maybe some other students also may think, right? Maybe they are not saying. So we make sure that everyone to be, okay, very flexible with us. So we will give this particular portion. Fourth thing is that after test also, right? Suppose I given the percentage 1, okay, and another I given the percentage 2 exam. Now, it's not like that, okay, you already completed percentage 1, so it's over. No, it's not like that. After percentage 1, okay, there will be exam of integrated P1 and P2. It will combine and give you the context learning. In case if you get any kind of doubt over here, if suppose, okay, due to P1, I'm not able to solve the you can say combination of the P1 P2, right, because of some issue, right? Then again it means that it will again take you the system inside the system, and it will check and balance everything, and then again it will take you the P1, and then again you can go ahead with the P1 P2. The system is designed like that. It means that if you are just thinking that, okay, if you don't know, it's okay, no, it's not work over here, right? Here is okay, here I know that one example I just want to give to you, that one student was there, right, of the ninth grade. He was not aware of the, you can say, fifth grade concept. So what happened? Because yeah, due to the fifth grade, it was increasing, right? Because the speed, the basic was required over here. So what happened from ninth to fifth? What happened? That's this particular student of ninth, that concept went to the eighth level. Okay, then again we've seen that okay, the system is designed like that. After eighth level, you have to take in the seventh level, because he was not able to clear. Then sixth level, then fifth level, and then again he can able to come over here. So it means that the whole revision done, right? And its exam is like designed like that. It will test you, right? Multiple ways, right? It's very intelligently test you. Suppose you have the question, you can't able to do, no problem. You have hint 1, hint 2, hint 3, like that. Third, it will give you some hint, again, but in a different way, infographic way. Again, not, it will give you a very small example, but it will not be equal to same question, right? Again, if you not do, then it will take you the another class level, right? To find out the what is the problem exactly. So its system is designed such a like way that you make sure that you can able to recall everything. The recall is the main important. If suppose I'm yeah, today I was teaching to the 10th grade student about the linear equation two variables. So what will happen that x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 2. Now he was not aware about what is the equation means, right? What is the meaning of this? Because he was because he was, I don't know what is the problem, right? Maybe sometimes even I also you get unable to remember. So recalling is the very important. Recalling, and this concept comes from the 7th grade, 7th to 8th grade, right? So you must know the 7th to 8th grade concept to complete this, but he was not aware of. So what will happen that the 7th will, right? Okay, so I just need to go in the 7th grade and to make sure that this basic should complete, and then he again find out this one, right? So sometimes what happened that, okay, you know the eighth one concept, ninth concept, but 7th concept is not clear. Due to which the 10th, you are okay finding the problem. So we have to go in this particular phase also. So if you see that, okay, we have to work from the root level, from the grassroots level. Okay, that is the most important thing. If you can't able to do that, it will be the problem for us, right? In the speed, see, speed is also important, right? Accuracy also is important. And content, you can say context learning. The context learning means the word problems, visualization of the problem, and finding the creative solution. See, one solution is called, you can say 2 plus 2, right? Again, I'm saying, I'm giving the very simple example. Okay, no problem. Don't take the 2 plus 2, right? Take 2 plus 3, right? It's written in your book, right? Then you know that, okay, you have 5, I know that. Okay, now I'm writing 2 plus 3 plus 6. Many people would not understand why 6 is that. I know the 2 plus 3. What is the 2 plus 3 plus 6? It means that there is a logical gap, right? Logical learning gap. So what I will make sure that he will be comfortable in this one. Then I'll make the 2 plus 3 plus 6 into 4. How can you solve? Then again, new concept should be, you should learn. So it's an integrated learning approach, right? So every possible context you know. Now, sometimes what happens, okay, you need to find a more creative, okay, more creative solutions. Means out of box. It is not written in book, but you have to know. Suppose I'm just taking the x, right, plus y. What is the coefficient of x and y? So here you know the 1 and 1 is the coefficient, because if nothing is there, the 1 should be there. So you have to think creatively sometimes to make manage the things So it's come with practice, right? Now, the most important thing. So we are covering, you can say, academic, totally, right? Test, infographic, written thing. These are the three things, main things. Then fourth is you can say the exam focus, right? Exam focus, that what we will share with you all the NCERT problems, right? Video solution, right? It's not like that. So video solution in NCERT, you can see, suppose, okay, my math chapter name is, you can say 13.1. Okay, in 30.1, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, it will come like that. Now, what will we do? What we can do? The most important critical thing is that, yeah. So question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will that? It will contain the infographic solution. Again, it will contain the video solution also, right? How many ways you can think, right? Then again, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It's okay. You have done. You may get all over the world also, right? If already you're getting the solution in the book too. But what new in this? Yeah, new in this something is a concept extraction. The concept extraction, right? It connects to the logic, and it will connect to the what possibility over there, right? The question is not made there. So what possibility over there, right? How can you think? And guidance on that. I'm not giving that you have question, you can do it. No, no, no. You have the guidance on that too. It means that, suppose I'm just doing a solution problem, then we'll give you the paper on every exercise to how you are able to solve, okay, the problem on the similar levels. So we can able to find out where is exactly the problem is there. Suppose I'm just know that this is a particular answer, but if I don't know the logic, I can able to detect over here. Okay, this is the most important thing. Now, another the point is that, okay, this much is fine. Okay, this much you got it. But what is except that we have the varieties of questions, right? Lots of varieties of question, varieties of tests. It's not only the one based way, it's a minimum. And even we have the customization system. Suppose a parent says that my child is not able to learn this particular thing. These three are the weak areas. We'll customize for you. Okay, we'll make a customization, right, according to mind, and we will make it flexible, the paper according to for him, or maybe video for him, so that he can able to learn very fast, right? We have the student mentor, we have the mentors, right? Everyone will try to support you the best. Now the third thing is come. Everything is fine. Now, what new more is there? Yes, we have the app system. You have to install one the link in which you can able to see everything. Then we have the yes groups. Yeah, we have the forums. You can ask anything from anywhere in the world, news analysis or general studies, everything is there, right? Then we have to also give the you can a J Foundation and you can say Olympiad level. So Olympiad level, what kind of varieties of questions there? Because as much you ever see, suppose I know the basic, right? Basic I know it's not a limit, right? You have to extend the basics to the bigger level, right? More bigger context. Now after that, you can able to find what is the new problems, right? So in life is what same way. If you not do this one, right, you will never know what is the problem exactly. If you know this, if you don't do this one, you will think that there's no problem in the world. No, if you do this one, right, then you will have to find a problem. So problem finding is also a skill, right? It will never ending process, right? So that's why we are researching everything daily basis. Now, except that, if still we have the LMS integrated in this, suppose I'm just taking the percentage P1, P2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to submit the paper also, right? Suppose I'm writing, okay, 2x plus 3, y is equal to 4. What is the coefficient of x and y? So whatever I will write, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. And it will be, a format will be given as per the guidelines. Now you have to just share with us, right? We have the import. Okay, you can now import the file and just send to us directly. We have to check, right, using the hand, or you can say using the ink, and we'll able to send to you back, right, with the corrections and with the recommendation that where you need to solve, right? And after that, we have to follow up also, right? There is one request generate that you have to do this one, do this one, do this one, do this. Till I'm not sure that it's not going to end. Okay, it will always be active, and the parents can always see everything very easily. And the second point of view, you can try to understand that. Suppose I can able to solve this one, right? Okay. Now, it's a problem which is technical, but there is another problem is that suppose I'm good in math, but I can't able to read the question properly, right? Especially in the word problems, comprehension. Then we have to track this one also, right? And able to solve this particular problem. We have particular skills to upgrade with this. These all everything which I'm sharing, right? This is also you can say very rough overview, but there are so many things in the answers, right? And with the time, you will get able to understand that what is the required for the student. See, in the life, you can't able to see the problems till you're not able to try, right? If you're able to try, then you can able to find the problems in the life and to solve it. So that is the most critical thing important in the life too. I hope you can understand it. And if any kind of doubt, you can ask to me anytime. And I already shared my website. So please feel free to connect us. If you need a counseling, if you need a kind of any kind of counseling in the terms of the learning approach, please let me know. The learning approach is very important. See, information, what we are learning is information. How we are applying, that is knowledge. How we applying to solve real world problem, right? That is called the real efforts. So we need to train our mind, okay, to fight with the challenges. The major objective of the education is the fight with the challenges. It's not about the knowing information. Knowing information is a very basic thing. Everyone know, right? Suppose in my class, everyone know, okay, what is the science, what is the math, right? All the question and everyone getting the 100 over 100. It doesn't mean that everyone become the top in the world, right? Maybe one, or maybe that also not possible. So something is to be need to be do differently, right? Something new to be out of the context, right? Means you can say it's okay. There should be no limit in the learning. Okay, if we limit the learning, we can't able to solve the maximum problem, right? We have to go out of the limit. Suppose I'm just giving the example of the coronavirus. The virus is very mutating very fast, right? The scientists are trying to find the different kind of the you can say vaccination, right? How we can solve the problem maximum, right? Still the people are getting. Okay, so how many ways we have to go out of limit? We have to think creatively, something new, something you have to connect with the different things. Then you can be able to find a solution, right? If I just think, no, I read the book and there's no solution, then I just stop in my, okay, I just, okay, to be silent. It doesn't work like that. The world is not work like that, okay? If you're able to think that rationally, you can be able to find out why things are there. So you have to figure out your life, the life, right? You have to figure out what is the learning approach. You have to figure out what matters, right? Everything is good, right? But you have to focus on what required and what should be. Yeah, that's all. Okay, everything is over that. On logic, there is no, you can say compromise, right? According to me, there are no different logics. Okay, the objective will be same, the logic will be same, right? Okay, approach may be different. Approach towards that logic may be different, right? Thank you so much for your time and listening to me. Thank you. I'm Saurav.